Morning everyone, welcome to the Mowbridge Library. Today we're going to be making cupcake jellyfish, glass bead crabs and paper roll octopus. So first we're going to make cupcake jellyfish. So we're going to need some cupcakes, craft ribbon and some googly eyes. So first we're going to grab our first jelly cup, our cupcake liner and we're going to grab one of our pieces of ribbon. And we're just going to cut them into nice lines. It doesn't matter how long they are. And we're just going to cut them all about the same size. Not too short. And we need about 12 pieces. Alright, so now we've cut our pieces of ribbon, we're going to grab our ribbon and some tape. So we're just going to grab some little pieces of tape and then stick it on our cupcake liners. And we repeat that until we've done all of our, stuck all our ribbon onto our cupcake liners. Alright, now that we've stuck our ribbon onto our patty pans, we'll just push the tape down a bit just to make sure it's all patted down. Next, we'll grab our other cupcake pan and some glue, and we're going to glue above where the ribbons are. Just a good amount of glue. Then we're going to grab our other one and we're going to just push above it. Just like that. Make sure the glue is evenly spread. Next we're going to grab our googly eyes so the jellyfish has eyes to see. One more. And there we've made a jellyfish. Alright, so our next animal we're going to make is a paper roll octopus. So first we need our square piece of paper, some googly eyes, a texture, tape, and some glue. So first we're going to roll our piece of paper into a cylinder, just like that, and we're going to tape it up. So there it is now, our circle, our cylinder I should say. Yeah. So we're going to grab our scissors and about halfway we're going to just make a short cut. So about halfway, and we'll do that a couple more times. To the shape you want it, nice big size. And just continue that around the whole cylinder. So now we've cut it, we're going to just do some circles, about 4 on each strip to make the legs. Doesn't really matter what size it is. So now we've done our little circles on the legs, we're going to just draw a quick smiley face. To make it look like it's smiling. So with the texture we used, we're going to grab each tentacle and we're going to roll it up. Just like that. And we're going to continue that around the whole octopus. Alright, so now we've rolled our legs up a bit, we're just going to put the eyes on it. So with a dab of glue, and just right where we've put the smiley face. And there we've made an octopus. Alright, so now we've made our jellyfish and our octopus, we're going to make glass bead crabs. So we'll need a glass bead, which is a vase filler, googly eyes, some very little ones, pipe cleaner, and some scrap paper. So we're going to grab our glass bead and our scrap piece of paper. The scrap piece of paper is going to be our bottom, and we're just going to trace around our bead. Like so, and we're going to cut it out. So now we've cut our little blue circle out from our scrap paper. It should fit nicely around the end of our glass bead. So we're going to put a dab of glue on our bead. And then we're going to put our scrap piece of paper on the back with it. Make sure the glue goes on there evenly. And there is our glass bead. While we're gluing, we'll put our googly eyes on. They are a bit fiddly since they're little. And there are our eyes. So for its legs, we're going to cut the pipe cleaner in half. And then half our halves again. And with 3 pieces, we're going to just cut an extra little bit off. So like, not too much. So about that much. So our other piece is a bit bigger than the rest of them. So we're going to curl the extra long piece up to kind of make the claws of a crab. Sort of like that. And we're going to line them all up again, just so you can see. So they're all lined up. Maybe curl our crab legs a bit more. With our crab bead, we're going to put some glue on the bottom, on top of that glass, our scrap piece of paper. Make sure it's in the middle. Glue's needs a minute to dry, so we'll give it a second to dry. Alright, so now our glue has dried. We're gonna bend the back 3 legs to make it look like it's standing. It might take a bit for the glue to dry, and there is our crab.